Hello guys, and friends, we're here, and today we have 5 packs we're gonna be opening. I'm sorry, 7. You guys are like, actually, no, 5. And you're like, we only have 4. The pack lock. I hope it went. But I have no more full birthday logins, so it's gonna be very hard for me to get packs. You know, oh my goodness. Thibaut Courtois. Really? Well, I accidentally did that. But like, I thought that was gonna be another Thibaut Courtois, man. And steals. 84 plus. More like 81. Oh, please. My pack look. Schmeichel. Alright, come on. Be good. Oh. Whoa, Walker. I acted. Oh, that cursed. Trent Alexander-Arnold in a Man City jersey. That's cursed. Or, okay. That's cursed. Curse. Right there. Curse. Delect! I have your better card, but Delect. I'll take it, Delect. FBC time. Come on, be good. Oh, Italy. Donnarumma! How is that not a walkout? Obama who? Obama what? Obama Young! We got him. What in the world? That's why. Yeah. No, yeah, remember. Obama who? Obama what? Obama Young. And the guy looked he's always angry. Oh yeah, Rand Mars. Yay. Now fakest walkout ever Parejo. I think. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but it's something like that. Now let's show. Like. Alright, come on. We're just gonna make it hurt. I'm getting it clean. Oh, come on. Luis Diaz, I have no clue. That is honestly pretty much worth it. How much did you go for? Absolutely nothing. You're going in FB. Need to bat that. I'm gonna sell everything else. You know what? I'm gonna sell you guys too. Besides the back. Now guys, I'm gonna try and get another pack. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna get another pack. Now, I'm gonna do it so quickly that I'm just gonna go right through it. Is it this one that I wanted to do? Alright, I guess we're doing that. I feel bad for my club. Feel bad. Alright. Boom. Alright, now we need a gold common. I'm just gonna go with you. How Giroux, a gold common. There we go. We got 380 plus. I'm happy. It's gonna be a good day. I feel it. You know what? I'm addicted to these now. I'm gonna get another one. I was so like, Yana, he's not Oblock. like, like, I would, thinking, I'm shaking right now. So if you hear like shaking, that's me. Alright, now we're doing this. Alright, now, boom, 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 and a boom. And then you ready? Gold common. For gold common? I want gold common. I'll just take you and you're gonna go here. By the way, just to make you guys feel a little better, there's somebody who had chemistry. Actually, just to make you guys feel a little better, I'm just gonna do this, Why do I have so many center backs? You know what? I'm just doing it to make you guys feel a little better. There. Alright. If I don't get a good player, I'm gonna do it again. I'm addicted to this now. Come on. Oh, come on, man. Really? You are the fakest. Like, you know what? You're gonna stay on my club and I'm gonna put you in an FBC. We're doing that again. Yes, I do have poop cat at the zone. So I'm gonna make you guys feel a little better. Put him right there for chemistry. Right now, I'm just gonna, boom, 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 boom. Where's the one that I already have? It's not you. I forgot who it was. Oh, you did. There we go. Alright, there we go. Oh, I forgot to put more chemistry there. Alright. Please be good. I'm addicted to these. You know what? I'm gonna sing because, I'm gonna have a good day. I'm gonna have a good day today. I hope so. I'm gonna have a good day. I hope I get something good. Because I wanna have a good day. That's not very good, but hey, I don't care. I'm getting a good day. Okay, it didn't work. It did not work. I'm addicted now. Like, you can't stop me. I'm gonna do another one. No, actually, I'm gonna. Okay, this is the last one, I promise. Actually, I'm gonna do a few of these because I have a ton. I have no silver common. What? I have no silver players? Okay, I guess we're doing it the old-fashioned way. Oh, I forgot. Okay. And there we go. Okay, this is the last one, I promise. Pinky promise. Now, when I sung, I kind of got a good player. So, I'm gonna have a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's not gonna be a good day anymore. Not gonna be a good day. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. Alright, well, oh yeah, club check. Okay, so we got the goat right here. The goat. Haven't done full editing yet. With Bale is a left mid. I don't know. He won't get any chemistry. Don't know why he don't have any chemistry. Really, and my club has been a horror. Yeah, I mean, don't look at those 90 rated players. You just don't look. My club is so bad, man. Well, the reason why I say that because, it's a pretty good team. I feel like people just spend their money on the game way too much. And so they have 18 Team of the Year and Team of the Year honorable mention. And I don't know. It's just I don't really like it. And all my top players in my club are loans and Grandpa, all blocks. I don't know, I just don't like it how people spend all their money on the game. I haven't even spent, I don't know, I spent a few dollars, not dollars, but a few, I don't know, I spent money on the game, but not a ton. So people are out here spending $500 on the game. And it's not fair because look at my top players. Pukas, Pulisic, Beth, Dembrota, Bale, Diaby, Thiago Silva. Look at my club. Every top player alone. Every top player on my team alone. Everyone that is good is an FBC. That's Holland. He's good. And Courtois. He's good. Hold on, how many good goalkeepers do I have now? That's the thing, I think I have some good goalkeepers. Anderson is the best. But no, it's weird. I'm not trying to stretch out the video or anything. But Oblak is better than Courtois. Even though he's a lower overall? Look, Donnarumma is also almost better than Courtois. How? And no, it's also crazy looks. No. He is better diving than Courtois? How? It's crazy. Look, I bet Castillo will have better speed. He does better kicking? I know he's not really known for kicking, but diving, he doesn't have 84 diving in real life. He was the man of the match for the team of, not team of the week. I meant to say the Champions League final. I believe Ter Stegen and Courtois are basically on the same page at how good they are. Courtois, he's not that good. I can put him in the FBC easily. I don't know why I shouldn't. But guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys like, I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!